Hi, I'm Sara with Manatee County Parks and Natural Resources. Today we're here in front of our bee hotel because we are going to be making our own version of a bee hotel to put in our gardens. When we think of bees, we usually think of the European honeybee. However, as the name implies, European honeybees came from Europe. Native bees include the bumblebee, carpenter bee, leaf-cutting bee, and so many more. There are over 300 species of Florida native bees. Unlike honeybees, most Florida bees are solitary nesting bees, which means that they do not like to live in colonies or hives. Most prefer to live in narrow nests either below ground or in wooden cavities, just like our bee hotel. To make a bee hotel, you're going to need some paper bags, a water bottle, a pencil, a ruler, a scissor, some tape or any form of adhesive you might have at home, and some string. The first step is going to be to rinse out your water bottle, remove the label and the cap. And then we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut the top quarter or the funnel of the water bottle. So our next step is going to be to measure our water bottle using our ruler. See, my water bottle is 6 inches. So I'm going to cut some strips of paper that are 6 inches long and 2 inches wide so that we can roll up the cavities for our bees. Once you have cut out all your strips, you're going to take your strips and using a pencil, you're going to roll it into a straw-like shape. And then secure it using tape or another adhesive. Doesn't that make a great bee home? Once you've rolled your strips into a straw shape, you can place them inside your water bottle container. You want to make enough strips to cover the whole area of your container so there's enough homes for every bee. Once you've inserted all your rolls, it'll look like this. You may choose to decorate your bee hotel however you like using paints or markers, and then you can use a piece of string to hang it from a tree. So you can wrap it around, secure it with a knot, and hang it. Thank you for joining us to make your very own bee hotel. I hope you enjoy having more native pollinators in your garden. Bye!